Hey guys, welcome back to another Discord bot tutorial video. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a image fetch command using discord.js, node.js, JavaScript, whatever you'd like to call it. To start off, I'd like to apologize for my lack of uploads. I fell out of the habit, and I hope to start getting back into it. So start off by going into Visual Studio Code, and we're going to download two modules. We're going to download request and Cheerio. We're going to be doing that by npm I Cheerio. That'll download the latest release of the Cheerio module, and npm I request, which will download the latest module of the request command, or module, excuse me. We'll be using both of these for command today. Next, you're going to want to put const request require request, and const Cheerio equals required Cheerio, just like how I have it here. And we're done with the first part. Next, we're going to be going down to the bottom and creating a new function. We're going to do function image, and then message and results. Okay. So you have that done. We have the this part here, which is defining the variable options. Variable options equals URL colon, and then we're going to be putting a link where we fetch our results from. This link will be in the description below, so you don't have to type everything up. I'm going to copy and paste this here. It's from a site called Dogpile. It will fetch any images that we need it to. Next, we're going to be putting a plus. We're going to be putting results. What that results is essentially anything that we want to pull up. Next, we're going to have method colon get all caps comma, and then headers number one accept colon, and it's going to be accepting text slash HTML. Next, user agent, make sure there's a dash there, oops, colon, and then Chrome, so it's using Chrome. Okay, we're going to put a semicolon there, and we're going to have request module used then. Options that's going to pull is these right here, and then it's going to do the function, error, response, have these defined, then response body. If there is an error, return console.log an error has occurred. I'm just going to put this dev note here. Next, we're going to have, we're going to define the money $sign. Cheerio.load and response body. Semicolon variable links equals $sign quotation marks dot image space a dot link semicolon. Okay, we're going to be defining URLs as a new array links dot length dot fill 0 dot map two parentheses v comma I arrow into links dot eq I and then dot attr parentheses href. So href. We're going to put a semicolon at the end of that long variable. And then we're going to be having if, if there are no URLs, or i.e. exclamation mark URLs.length, return console.log, no results found. So it didn't find anything. Next, we're going to be defining an embed, and we're going to be sending the image through an embed. Const embed equals a new Discord dot message embed. Parentheses, and then dot set title. We're going to have it be results, so whatever we're looking up. And I'll show you what I'm going to have it set as when we get to that point. But set image, and then it is URLs brackets math.floor, and then math.random parentheses times URLs.length. Okay, that'll do is pull a random number out of the amount, so between 1 and the amount of URLs pulled, and it will select from the amount of images pulled or URLs pulled that that specific image number in the array. This part is optional, but I'm going to be putting set footer and then searched by space and then message dot author dot username. Okay. And then the last part, which is set color. And I have that somewhere else here, right here, from the when I taught everyone how to make embeds. Hopefully you watched that video. Oops. There we go. And then finally, we're going to have the message.channel.send embed. And we finished this part of it. We just have one more, which is actually triggering the function. If msg.starts with, and then guildconf. This part is from my custom prefix series, or episode, I should say. So if you did not watch that, you can just replace this part with prefix, but if you did, just to let you know, I did make an error in that video. It should be message.guild.id and not message.channel.id, because otherwise you'd be making a prefix for each channel and only be changing it by channel. Next, I'm going to be having mine set as cat for my image. And we're going to be doing image, then we're going to make that into the function message, comma, results. And we're going to go right above this and define results as a cat. Okay, so when we use this command cat, define cat or results as cat, we load the function image with message and results that sends it over here, and it goes through the process of sending the embed. And once you have all that done, go ahead and control tilde, open your command prompt and node dot. We're going to be going over to my Discord. There's a link if you need any support in the description below. Go ahead and start off by saying hello to our bot. Do /cat. There we go. Pulled up a picture of a cat. No errors found. And now it works. So again, if you have any issues, come to my Discord server, link below, or comment them below. I'd love to see your thoughts about any other videos I should do, and hopefully I can keep up. So thank you all for watching. I hope you all come back next time, and have a great rest of your day.